Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use split screen for multitasking on your Red Magic Astra tablet. So first of all, let's open the first application that we want to split on the screen. And to do that, you have to perform a swiping gesture. So swipe up the screen with 3 fingers like this. This will split the screen. And now we're gonna have to choose the second application we want to put on a split screen. So for example, let it be a web browser. And now we can change the size of each window by dragging this bar between them. By tapping these 3 icons, we can either switch the places of the windows, or we can exit the split screen mode by tapping this X icon, and then we'll only see one application on the screen. Now the other way to put apps in the split screen mode is by opening the Recents tab and then tapping on this two rectangle icon on top of the applications window. Then once again we're gonna have to open the second application that we want to use, and this way we can also enter the same screen split mode. To exit, once again tap these 3 dots in between the windows and tap X, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.